So here we have it, guys. Here's our $110 kayak turned into what we want, and we've basically sprayed it a camo striped pattern, which we checked out on YouTube. There's heaps of people doing it. We've added some rod holders and mounted our little bag which is attached to the kayak, and that's got all our lures in it. So just a little backpack we had lying around. And here we've got the ugly seat modification. The seat was just a standard cheapo seat that comes with the kayak. Terrible to sit in, not upright at all, and uncomfortable. Another rod holder that was mounted in the middle. We use this quite most of the time when I'm fishing. I use that one. Getting back to the seat here again, we just had something lying around, and we've striped that in the camo as well. We've worked on the back of the seat. The back of the seat just had no strength in it, so we've stiffened it up with a little board and put some foam in front of that to keep it as comfortable as possible. And it does the trick. It's ugly, but it helps out keeping you upright and also comfortable. It's very, very comfortable. So we've added a headrest, which you can't see. It's in the seat from one of the cars, one of the headrests that we don't use on the car. We've put that in the back there. Here we're showing our little buckle clip, which is connected to our anchor, which is just off a gym set. The weight off a gym set, I can't even remember. What does it say? 30 something? I can't remember weight on it. But yeah, real easy. Cost us nothing. We've got it lying around. Oh, this is one of the funniest bits of the project. So I needed something to keep everything dry. So, what did we have lying around? An old olive container. Most importantly, an olive container with an O-ring that seals everything. So we put everything in there, and some Glad Ziploc bags, keep our mobile phone in there, whatnot, and that's strapped down with some bungee straps and some, a little bit of cord. So if you want to put a jacket over that, or a life jacket, whatever may be the case. More rod holders at the back. That one was used mainly for trolling. So you troll one out the back as you go along. This is an important bit. We've got a buckle clip here, which we tie off to the kayak. Kayak rolls over, who cares? That whole, your mobile phone and everything is attached, so and it's waterproof. Back to the front rod holder, we use that quite a bit as well. So it's a good little setup at the moment, and we've taken it out, we've tested it. Most things we're happy with, and people have loved it. When they've seen it, they love the finish on it. Excuse me. Just battling with the cold at the moment. I've had it for a while now. So, what else have we done to this guy? Yeah, well, that's about it. We really, when we've painted it, we've bought some plastic primer. Most importantly, plastic primer. Sprayed that up to instructions, and then we've gone ahead and put several different colours on, and then we've finished it off with some clear coat, so that just makes it pop as clear does. This is the paddle. Pretty good looking. At the back here we've got, this is something that we haven't yet purchased, so I've just used these straps that I have lying around what I'm doing with him is basically attaching the paddle. So if I want to let go of the paddle, I don't have to worry about it, it's attached. And also one for when you're trolling on that back rod, you can just click that on. If anything happens, it pops out. It's on a clip, so you just pull your little tie there, pull it in, bring the rod in, and hopefully the fish that's on the end of it. Yep. It's all about having fun, and this project was fun. And because we used bits and pieces from the garage, $110 was what we paid for the kayak, and $30 on paint. That's it, $140 in total. That is so cheap, and we've had a lot of fun so far. And I imagine this is just gonna, the kids love it. So yeah, great little project, a lot of fun.